In today's video, I'm going to show you how to insert an editable calendar into a OneNote page, step by step, so you can create a reusable monthly layout in just a few minutes. This is a simple but powerful way to organize your notes, plan your month, track deadlines, and keep everything neatly arranged inside OneNote without having to rebuild the calendar every time. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software guides like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open OneNote and go to the page where you want to add your calendar. Make sure you're on the correct notebook section and page before you begin. Once the page is open, click anywhere on an empty part of the blank canvas. This gives you a place to start building the calendar layout. Now go up to the top menu and click the Insert tab. Inside the Insert options, look for the Table tool. Click the table icon, and when the grid appears, drag your mouse across the selection until you create a table that is exactly 7 columns wide and 6 rows deep. This is the ideal setup for a monthly calendar because the top row will hold the days of the week, and the 5 rows below it will give you space for the dates of the month. Once your table is created, click into the very top row and begin typing the days of the week. You can use Sunday through Saturday or Monday through Sunday, depending on how you prefer to organize your week. To move quickly from one cell to the next, just use the Tab key on your keyboard. That makes it much faster than clicking each box individually. After the header row is complete, move down to the second row and start entering the numerical dates for the current month. Continue filling in each cell across the calendar until the month is laid out properly. If a date needs extra room for notes, you can simply press Enter normally to create empty lines beneath the number. This gives you more space to add reminders, appointments, or anything else you want to track. At this point, your editable calendar is already useful, but the real time-saving trick is turning it into a reusable template. That way, you won't need to rebuild the same table every month from scratch. To do that, go back to the Insert tab again. Then click Page Templates. From the submenu, choose Page Templates at the bottom. A task pane will slide out on the right side of your screen. Scroll all the way to the bottom of that pane and click Save Current Page as a template. When prompted, give your template a clear name, like My Monthly Calendar, and then click Save. Now your calendar layout is saved permanently as a template, which means you can reuse it anytime you want. The next time you need a monthly page in OneNote, you can create it in just a couple of clicks instead of rebuilding the entire table manually. That's especially helpful if you use OneNote for school, work, content planning, project management, or personal organization. And that's it. You've now learned how to insert an editable calendar into a OneNote page and save it as a reusable template. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next OneNote tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.